So in this video, I'll be showing you how to enable and customize the keyboard shortcuts for Gmail. So begin by launching Gmail. Then from here, you want to click on the settings icon and select See All Settings. In your settings menu, you want to look through these different options and select Advanced. Then from here, you should see Custom Keyboard Shortcuts. So you want to click on Enable and Save Changes. So by doing this, you've now enabled the keyboard shortcuts. If you want to customize them, or if you don't know what shortcuts that you can use and you want to know what they are and how you can use them, then you can click on Settings, then select See All Settings. Again, at the top, you should see all these options. So because you've enabled keyboard shortcuts, you should see keyboard shortcuts at the top. So just click on it. Then from here, you can see your current shortcut mappings. So for example, you have C, which is for compose, and then you have D, compose in a tab. So you have all of these defaults for you to use. You can also choose to add alternatives. So for example, if compose is set to C, you can have it set to K as well. So whenever you click on C or K, you'll be able to compose a mail. Again, you can choose to do that same for something else. So for example, mute conversation is set to M. So you can choose to change that and say T, for example. And then you can go further down and keep doing the same thing. So once you finished mapping out the keys, you want to scroll down and select Save Changes. That's if you've made any changes. But you can always just come and read through the different shortcuts and see which one suits your preferences and to memorize them as well. Then from here, once you've done all of that, you can now start using your keyboard shortcuts. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.